So much for 0% chance of rain because I'm looking outside my window here in Sherwood, and not only did I just hear rumble of thunder, but it is now raining. On top of that, the heat wave is now over. This is going to be my final update on what's going to be happening from this heat wave. So, moving straight into the National Weather Service watches and warnings, and all the heat warnings and heat advisories have been discontinued in the lowlands west of the Cascades. However, an air quality alert still remains for the southwest Washington lowlands. Now the ozone portion has been removed. It's only for smoke now. Red flag warning still exists for anywhere on the west slopes of the Cascades in addition to central Oregon. Now onto the stats and notes from this heat wave. So September 5th, Portland and Salem tied their latest 100-degree day in the calendar year. Portland broke the daily record high temperature for that date at 102 degrees. Salem did not, as they hit 101 compared to the record of 103. Corvallis' high temperature was 99, which did not break their latest 100-degree heat temperature as it was on that day, and they didn't hit 100 as a result. Smoke, especially on Friday, prevented temperatures from reaching their highest potential, and smoke was more widespread than I forecast, especially down here at the surface. Smoke can reduce temperature by 5 degrees with how the thickness was compared to what it would be like if it was completely clear. And I'm using the upper air temperatures to correlate that compared to how thick the smoke looked. Then also the thing that really threw a curveball was that there were surprise isolated thunderstorms yesterday, especially between Salem and Corvallis. There were some really good cells there. However, none reached severe weather criteria, and most was cloud to cloud lightning. I haven't seen many reports yet of cloud to ground. On to my 7-day forecast, and I'll start with Corvallis. I'm anticipating a high temperature in the upper 80s now today, with high temperatures in the mid 80s for tomorrow and Monday, with temperatures cooling off further into Tuesday and beyond, with temperatures being either at normal or a little bit below normal, with an 80% chance of rain on Wednesday at this time, and lower chances on Thursday morning, even though my graphic doesn't show it. And then for the Port Metro area, anticipating a high of 89 degrees today versus highs is going into the lower 80s on Sunday and Monday. The temperatures generally being a couple of notches cooler than Corvallis, with a slightly lower chance of rain on Wednesday with a 70% chance instead. Now, as smoke, especially near the surface, is very fickle to move out, I won't be surprised if it takes a few days to leave, but I do anticipate gradual improvement, and I would be surprised if it stays here beyond Monday, especially here in the lower atmosphere, though I think we'll be back into the good air quality after or today and especially tomorrow. We're currently at the upper end of moderate to low end of unhealthy for sensitive groups, depending on when you watch this. Otherwise, I am going to be delaying my thunderstorm video, and specifically why thunderstorms are so rare here in the Pacific Northwest. I spent a little bit too much time on radar tracking the thunderstorms from Salem southward, and yeah, got a little sidetracked, in other words. So I will put that out later tonight, probably my usual 2 a.m. time frame. Otherwise, stay cool out there and take care.